I'm loving this. Well, hello, dark chicken. Hello, pizza. Tommy the turkey. We're retiring you. This might be the last time we see you. Hello, frog. Hello, Max the hot dog. All right, looking good. All right, here's the name of the game. I'm going to play a song, and you are going to, just based on how you're feeling, give it whatever moves you think are appropriate. Oh, so sweet. Hi, Buster. Hi, Bridget. How are you guys? You look so wonderful. All right. Whatever moves suit your fancy. Are we ready? Cheer on, you guys. Oh, aliens out of here. Yes. Liking this. Oh, we've got a lot of audience participation. Okay. Okay. Oh, Tommy Turkey's going up. Yes. Freeze, please. Mascot, you don't have to go anywhere. You can stay right where you're at. Are we ready? Let's go. Tommy the turkey is ready. Alien is really serious right now. Let's go. What do you got? I'm really liking this pig. Can you guys draw your attention to the pig? Yes. Yes. This is really serious. All right, next one. We're going to take it in another direction. I actually think this one would be good for everyone to come back down. You're going to probably need some space. You might want to spread out. All right, Tommy the turkey's head cap is falling off. All right, are we ready to get in touch with our sensitive sides? This is a really sweet song to send us into fall break. You can let school go. There's a slow dance happening. It's a really emotional, sweet song. Look at the kangaroo. This is a serious interpretive dance. Wow, kangaroo! Why are you not on the cheer squad? That's what I need to know. All right, I can't pause it before the chorus. Oh, look at this really sweet circle. Can you please join us in song, please? Root them on. All right, we love that. By all of you. Here we go, last one. We never can end a dance-off without Beyonce. Which mascots are single? Hello, pig. This is scary pig. This is scary pig. Hi. Are you single? I'm not. Okay. Yes. Yes. Let's. No. All right, all right. Give it up for our single mascots. Yes. All right, come on out to the front, line up. and see who you were. Many of you shared with me, one day I want to be brave enough to suit up. I'm not there yet, and maybe this can be your inspiration. There's no way we're picking a winner today. That's impossible. Would you all please show your faces? Can I please give a special shout out to the pig with the dance moves? Okay, I did not know that was in there. I think I have more mascot moves for you later. All right, give it up for our mascots. Thank you guys for being here. You can go change out of your sweaty outfits. They might have to stink a little bit for the rest of the day. Nice job, Nelson.